Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here at ROLLEI Visuals. Today I'm gonna go, I'm with my boyfriend and we're gonna go take some photos in this house that we're at, using the objects that are already here. We're each gonna come up with 2 or 3 ideas and then we're just gonna execute them together. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so yeah, let's start with an idea. Do you want to start or should I start?
You probably should start.
Why should I start?
Because I don't have one yet.
You don't have one yet? Okay, let's start with the droplets of water on a transparent screen. And then below that I will put some sort of neon-like pattern and it will hopefully do something cool. I've seen this online before, just wanted to try it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So what we'll need for this is one transparent plate and some water. And I'm gonna show you setup. I think we're gonna set it up on my desk here. Let me just make some space. Yes, this is how cleaning up works. Let me just film the setup and then we'll get back to you. Well, yeah. Okay, so as you can see here, we have my phone below the transparent plate, and then it's just standing on the 2 Rubik's cubes. And the idea is to put some water on it, and then it creates some cool effect in the bubbles, hopefully, or in the droplets. It's very aggressive. Yes. Okay, so let me just rearrange my phone underneath.
Let's put the light up.
Yep. Okay. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna try and take a nice photo of it now. Okay, so here we just tried a bunch of photos, different things under the transparent screen. In the end we also heightened it a bit, but the main thing is that we just tried a bunch of things and that we enjoyed the process. So from the first shoot we have a whole bunch of photos and you can see those here. The ones that I like the most is this one. I like how the droplets are just in front of it, and I actually really like the background as well. But the droplets give it some more perspective.
Yeah, I like that one too. And also the first one we shot. So the first neon-like background with the big droplets. And you can really see the line shifting of the neon background in the droplets. So yeah. Overall,
I think these photos are kind of nice, but not really cool. But we had fun doing the shoot, and it was nice to try something new.
Definitely.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's your turn to come up with an idea. Just say something and we'll execute it. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. What's the worst that can happen?
Well, let's go to the staircase then.
Okay. I don't know what we're going to do, but...
So, regarding my plan, as I was just walking upstairs to get some stuff for the first photos, I liked the lighting of that was in the staircase, and the symmetry of well, the staircase elements, the steps mostly, and therefore I wanted to take a photo there.
I modeled for Thomas and his idea was to use the staircase as a framing, or the upper staircase as a framing for photos, and then we just looked back and then we worked together and thought that some things had to change. From the second shoot that we just did, we got these photos as the results. And even though we had Thomas as the photographer who didn't check the settings, which is okay, it happens to everyone. It happened to me a lot of times that I had to redo a lot of photos from the previous vlog because I still had my camera in the movie settings, so I shot at like 1/50th of a second instead of 1/500th of a second. So yeah, that happened.
Yeah, and I haven't done quite much with a camera in a while. So.
Yeah. No, it happens, but that's why some of these are kind of noisy or unsharp, or the lighting settings weren't on point, but I still like the results, and the edit gives them a real mood.
The surroundings.
The framing of the stairs.
Framing is very good indeed.
Yeah. I think it's very good that you have a really good eye for photography and that you spotted this on your way up and down the stairs. That's kind of nice. Day 2 of the challenge, or the vlog, or whatever. New day, new photography ideas, I hope. I don't have any yet, so I guess we'll just come up with it on the spot. Do you have any yet?
I have one. Let's try a mirror challenge.
A mirror challenge.
A mirror shop.
Mirror photo.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds interesting.
Let's go.
So, Thomas, tell me, what's the plan?
So we have a mirror over here and a woman over here and a camera which has a very wide angle lens, and we're gonna try to make a cool shot with 2 womens in the shot.
Also, I'm gonna go and close the door because my roommate is playing Mario Kart, which is fair because, well, Mario Kart.
So looking back at the mirror photos, I think they were quite fun to make.
Yeah, I agree. We had a ton of fun just standing in front of the mirror and trying different things, but in the end...
I think we could have done a bit more maybe with the mirror. Right now it's nice, but maybe there was some more to discover to create an even more creative and awesome picture. Right now it's just us having fun, and I think you can see that. And still a nice picture, but there is more to it, I think.
Yeah, there could be more to it, but so yeah, I think we could do more with it, but for now this was a fun thing to do, and that's actually what's all about them. I think we learned some things from it.
Definitely.
So we're back. It's been
Took a long time.
It's been a couple of days since we last filmed, but today we're going to film again for one last photo idea for this vlog. And my idea is to photograph some eyes. Now the problem is I don't have a macro lens, so we'll be using my tele zoom lens, which I hope will work. But then we'll just take close-ups of eyes, preferably in some nice sunlight, because the lighting is real nice outside. So we'll just go and try that.
Okay.
Okay, so for this behind the scenes shot, I didn't actually focus correctly and my roommate is running around the room, and we just put the model person in the sun and then zoomed in a lot and then took the photos of the eyes, focusing especially on the eyes. So now about the fourth photo shoot that we did about with the eyes. I picked 2 photos, one from each of us, and in the end I kind of like how it turned out. The colors in the eyes, you can really see the details. You can actually see that my eye is kind of has some brown and green flecks in it. But yeah, it was really hard to keep your eyes open in the sun.
Yeah, we were sitting in front of, well, not directly in front of the window, but the sun was really shining into our eyes.
Yeah, well, that was kind of the idea, because it does cast some nice shadows and give some nice lighting.
Yeah, I agree, it looks great, but it also was terrible to keep your eye open. Especially because the other side was in the shadows, and so was just hurting that your eyes needed to
Yeah.
yeah,
Adjust, but
adjust
they
to
couldn't.
this contrast indeed.
So yeah, it was kind of. I do like the results, but they're not like the typical Insta shots that I normally like to take. The wow factor isn't really there.
No, I think maybe it's cooler if you do it within a portrait, like a portrait, but with the focus on the eye. So maybe like half a face, or
yep,
that would be cool, I guess.
But we had a lot of fun, and we hope you enjoy.
Bye.
So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, remember, just create.